5, 6,
I'm so used
7,
to
8.
being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell, top shelf. We gon' toastin' like a temporary well. Mama told me they be saving on me, I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke.
Restart.
Remember days like just last week. There wasn't nothing in the kitchen left to eat. Girl, what you want? Go pick it out. My wallet looking bigger than my belly now. Now what a shame they slept on me. They coming back and now they crying on their knees. Ain't nothing changed, same old me. Came up on some change, but that doesn't change a thing. I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell, top shelf. We gon' toastin' like a temporary well. Mama told me they be saving on me, I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke.
Restart.
Out of college, said goodbye to that degree. Playing every college party from Georgia to Tennessee. Packing 6 up in the van, 6 string in my hand, sleeping in the parking lot, drinking Natty at the can. They saying that I'm rich, but I got a couple dollars to blow. You know, yeah, we gon' celebrate tonight. Some champagne on some ice, 'cause you can't take it with you when you go. I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. Buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell, top shelf. Living something like a temporary well. Mama told me they be saving on me, I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke.
This dance is Broke, choreographed by Michelle Wright. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Section 2, toe struts with hip bumps, right and left, and jazz box with a quarter turn right, cross, back, quarter turn right, cross. Section 3, Lindy's. Side chassé to the right, rock, back, recover. Side chassé to the left, rock, back, recover. Last section, right, kick, ball, change, right, kick, ball, change. Lunge to the right diagonal, touch. Lunge to the left diagonal, touch. This is the end of the dance. I'm facing 3 o'clock, weights on my left, and I start over with the side together, side touch. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 2 restarts, each up to 24 counts on walls 2 and 6. Both walls 2 and 6 start facing 3 o'clock, so let's do 24 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 24 counts on walls 2 and 6, and you restart the dance facing 6 o'clock with the side together, side touch, and that's the whole dance.